emulate the ancient Egyptian mummy sound in Bitwig Studio. Here's the original that I've found online. And here's my imitation of it. Not exactly the same, but it's a close enough approximation that it's interesting to look at how it's made. So, to start off with, I'll disable all these devices here. And I'll disable this modulator. I've just got polysynth with a single saw wave and a 12 dB per octave low-pass filter to take away some of the harshness. Then I'm going to add some pitch modulation by activating this modulator, which is just an ADSR envelope modulating the pitch by 8 semitones.